If you're seeing a black screen when using Display Capture in OBS Studio, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this video I'll show you one of the most effective ways to fix it. If this guide helps you out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. A black screen in Display Capture usually means OBS is using the wrong graphics processor. Let's fix that. First, completely close OBS Studio. Next, click the search bar on your taskbar and type Graphics Settings, then open the Graphics Settings menu. Scroll down to the application list and search for OBS. If OBS doesn't appear, click Add an App, choose Desktop App, and then click Browse. Navigate to this PC, Local Disk, Program Files, OBS-C, Program Files, OBS-C, Studio.bin, 64-bit, select OBS64.exe, and click Add. Once OBS has been added, click on it and select Options. If your computer has both integrated and dedicated graphics, you'll usually see two options. One will be your integrated graphics, such as Intel, and the other will be your dedicated GPU, such as NVIDIA or AMD. For display capture issues, select the power saving option, which typically uses your integrated Intel graphics, then click Save. Now, reopen OBS Studio and check whether display capture is working correctly. If you're still getting a black screen, try removing your existing display capture source and creating a new one. In many cases, this refreshes the source and resolves the issue. That's it. Hopefully your display capture is now working properly, and you can get back to recording or streaming without the black screen problem.